Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can disable your DMs on Instagram, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. And remember this, if you disable your DMs, you wouldn't know who I've messaged you, alright? That's what this is going to do. So in order to do that, you can click on your photo or like your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the three line at the top of your screen and go on versus settings. Once you're on your settings, you want to go on versus notifications, and over here you can see messages and calls. Click on it, and over here where it says message request, make sure to put it in off, and over here where it says group request, put it in off. Make sure like all of the thing over here, voice chat off, all of this thing is on off. All right, if all of the thing over here is on off, basically you're not going to receive any DMs. Even if you receive DMs, you're not going to get notification that you received DMs, which means only if you like to check the DMs, you can go on it and check it, because you cannot completely disable your DMs. All right, if you don't want to get message from some person, you need to personally block them. But if you want to disable your DMs, this is the only way. Now, if somebody decides to message me, they can, but I won't get any notification, which means if I get my time and I want to check it, then only I'm gonna see who has sent me messages. All right, so yeah, that's how we guys can disable DMs on Instagram. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step if you found our video helpful. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, stay safe and peace out.